Have you seen this recipe before? So today is for potato and cucumber salad, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Yep, yeah, let's dive into it. So I started with filleting my fish, and this is the first time I'm actually going to try this. Now thinking about it is I did not try. No, I did not try at all. But then I mean still something I still try to get a part of it. So I started off by removing all the bones, the fin area, and cutting off the head. Yeah, people that actually do this make it seem so easy, but it's not. Like it took me a whole lot. See, I even forgot a fin there. Can you see that? But then let's just continue. It's fine. So I moved on by just trimming out the sides and just, trying to cut it out. And I had to be so steady. I think I'm using the wrong knife, but then it's fine. Use what you have. And so I just sliced in the middle of the. I'm not supposed to slice it, but I still did because I just could not figure out how people are doing it. Probably the next time I'm trying it, it's going to be better. So here we are. The first part looks okay, and the second part looks like ash. All right, let's move on. Then I just sprinkled all my spices. I immediately just used some barbecue spice and paprika and then pepper, and that was it. I kept it in the oven to grill for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I moved on to my boiled potatoes. Yeah, I boiled my potatoes for about 20 minutes and let it cool. Okay, and once it was cooled, I just sliced it into the variable size I wanted, and I added my cucumbers, sliced cucumbers. That was easy, right? Yeah, easy. Now, because I'm on a weight loss journey, I used a bit of mayonnaise. It's not a bit sharp, but it's still a bit compared to what I would have used normally. And some yogurt. The yogurt was quite a lot. Moving on. Yeah, we're almost at the end of it. I add my parsley. Now I slice them into small, yeah, strands and then mixed it into the paste I add. One thing was not recorded, my black pepper. I added some black pepper as well, just to give it a bit of hotness into it. And then I added it to my salad and I mixed all up together. Like mix, 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 mix. Trust me, this is very easy. Anybody can get this. Like, even if you don't know how to cook, you will get it. Just boil, slice, add your mayonnaise and yogurt and your herbs, and you're done. Like, you're done. Look at it. Look at it. Let me tell you, I could not even finish this bowl. Yeah, I picked out the cucumbers and I ate, and I picked out some potatoes to I ate, but I could not finish the bowl because it was very filling. And I added in the rolled fish. Can you see that? It looks nice, right? So yeah. Thank you for watching. See you all in another episode of What I Cook in 2026. Thanks. Bye.